So today we're going to be fitting some new LED side lights and headlights on the VW Beetle. Stay tuned. So to get these headlights out on this model, there's a little lever there. You need to, that one just there, you need to lift that right up and the headlight just pops out. There, that pops out, the back's come off. There's a little clip. Pull that out and that's your headlight out. That should be attached on, but the clip's broken, so that's popping off. And that's your headlight bulb. There's a little plastic brown colour bit, you twist that and your side light bulb comes out. Okay, so that's the side light bulbs I'm going for. There are 5 LED little bulbs on it. These are like the 501 bulbs. I'll put a link in the description to show you where I got these from. They're not very expensive at all. These are the headlight bulbs I've got. I've used these before and these are very bright. Osram Night breaker laser. These are H1. I did buy the H7 thinking there was them, but no, it's definitely a H1 to go on the Beetle. This for the main beam and the normal headlight. So these side light bulbs only go one way. There's a positive and a negative, so you have to trial and error basically. So let's stick that in for now. The headlight bulb, push down, a little clip comes out. And these aren't very bright at all, they're very yellow, so I'm going to be definitely changing them out. With these older style bulbs, you do not want to touch them with your finger because the condensation off your finger will lower the life in these bulbs. So undo that little spade connector, get the new one in. And that pops in. It will only go one way, so there's a little lug there that lines up with that flat part. And hook that back under and that's in. Then the side light bulb is a bit of a faff to get to because the actual bit you've got to put it in right at the bottom, so you've got to manipulate that in. Once you get it in there, push it in and slide it and it's locked in place. But before I put that in, I'm just going to put the plug back in, turn the light on, just make sure I've got this the right way round. Right, so just going to see if I've got this the right way round. There you go. Okay, so when you put these headlights in, there's a little strip there, a little strip there, and there's a little locating lug just on the inside of the wing there. So you just need to line them up, slide them in, and it locks into place. Pull that sliding clip down and there you go, done. You repeat that both sides. Side lights, they look pretty cool, a lot brighter. Nice sort of white blue light to go with the belly blue colour. See the wow, they're much brighter. Much brighter. Yeah. Job done, I reckon. I think the next thing I'll do is I'll order some number plate lights for the back, some LED ones. So next video, stay tuned for that. Yeah. For now, thanks for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you all soon.